Tropical Storm Delta Strike à Louisiana region Tahoe already reeling. Delta mad landfall at this th hurricane to it united state tier, en CVI café hurricane Laura it Cameron Parish. Storm surge rose morte en Seven fait on Friday in some area of Louisiana, où hurricane Delta mad landfall à catégorie 2 storm. It struck 20 miles est of hurricane Laura landfall CVI Credit. William Whitney Fort New York Team. Lafayette, la Tropical Storm Delta delivered yet a noté a so of wind en storm surge on Friday on a stretch of the Louisiana coast had been eviscerated just CVI Cagobi hurricane Laura, one of the most powerful storm to hit the state. Delta, which had weakened a it approach unité de state, mad landfall à catégorie 2 hurricane à Rougly 6 p.m. local team in Creole, la, sweeping in with 100 miles per hour wind, according to the National Hurricane Santé. After midnight, it was downgraded to a tropical storm with maximum sustained wind of 60 miles per hour. But at dawn approached, storm surge warning still in effect for portion of Louisiana, en 5 to 10 inch of rain expected in some area of the state. Tout ban of the storm had arrived earlier on Friday, lashing community reaching from the Texas coast to a far est à Baton Rouge, where authorities set a nearly 2 dozen emergency call included water rescue. Resident already very from along en punishing, hurricane season rest ok de Serpentry, boarded upser home a été cleared out or anchored done in advance of the storm. Delta I expected to a path similar to ta of Laura, which route en estimated $8 billion to $12 billion in damage, upending live in community tavers ruggling to closer way back. Across the southwestern part of the state, official braced for even a slight rain of Laura. People are frustrated, people are emotional, people are fatigued, said Nick Hunter, the mayor of Lake Charles, where poewa finally fully restorative quand where 2 ans of home romain uninhabitable. Monsieur Hunter said Vorieta resident who would try to read out Delta in compromised structure ta could collapse completely. To gadet a more people had evacuated vehicle for Laura. Many homin hurricane Delta patave still no recovered from hurricane Laura, which hit Louisiana in August. Credi. Millicask for the New York team. Still, the roi no escaping at bruised feeling. Just outrug a major catastrophe said, en in our wildest dream, no one would have to ta vehicle at every would begun trug something. Delta what this th named storm to make landfall into united state tier, breaking at previous record of an storm in 1916, according to Phil Klotzba, a meteorologist at Colorado State University. A news conference on Friday afternoon, Gov. John Belledvar of Louisiana said we are praying at a Delta, the 25 th named storm of the busy Atlantic hurricane season, would rush quickly through state, instead on a projected at attack petite to the east of Lake Charles, sparing it from the storm more destructive eastern flank. Even so, Monsieur Edward said, the confident that will be hurricane force wind felt in and around Lake Charles in the area of southwest Louisiana are very damaged. En sauve not going to exacerbate why already a bad situation. Louisiana a been in the path of 6 major storms since June, en along with the wildfire in the west, they have brought fresh attention to the effect of climate change, which likely contributed to the intensity of the storm and the persistence and size of the fire. Along a wide swath of the northern Gulf Coast, which was heavily battered by Laura in late August and Sally in September, life is still no back to normal. The storm caused extensive property damage en several dit. The dangerous right side of the storm, some team known at dirty side, après likely to strafe a rural stretch of the Acadiana region, home to Little Cloton ta serve a repository of the state Acadian en Creole culture. A measure of anxiety was also palpable in Lafayette, population 126,000, the cultural and economic capital of the region. Lafayette Parish had been under voluntary evacuation since midweek, and a Delta sur neve closé, resident divided on été to state orgo. Across the strain allo next to a city on a community center on Thursday, alpha dozen people filed into an ad hoc attack santé operated by local housing advocate. The signal puit case manager WHO promised Emery de zont mid-morning car avant tout à Mega Shelter in Alexandria, à Bouan Ouran à Alpha North along the hurricane évacuation route. Betty Blaine, 57, stupid to caxer to mix terrier, cric Angel, to drink from a yellow water ball. Champ herboye frien, 3 d'aigle JR, 56, waited for a squat paratransit bus to take them away. Te père livet au GT in lac Charles in a senior living grise calte château du lac, wish dead by Laura in lat Auguste. After de camping to a Marriott in New Orleans, MS. Blenant monsieur. D'aigle paquet veste to Acadia Parish, Beto in Lafayette alternative lac Charles, to stay in a frien campé. Nsafter, te cast serlo with te critical transport caravan te shelter in Alexandria. Oui te hurricane, you don't know what I want to do, monsieur. D'aigle 7 rouga disposable surgical mask. Be Friday afternoon, even with a don pour offre, car vurstia ou tentera forming a drive through glin tav rapid around que 26 faut for free 4 fiches en shrimp. Bumos te gas station, store en restaurant à Adel ready chute donne, en before long, at ski grey darker, te trafic largely vanish from manistery. Tervorno hotel room let in the city, official said, so people evacuating from the community in the path of the storm needed to quit relatives or friends or travel farte. For those remaining in the city, officials urged them to stay home. Monsieur. Edward Zeta Will Delta, which struck Mexico early in the week, had lost some of his strand. It was still forecast to bring a surjaillir 11 faits en rafale of 10 inches or more. With Delta, much like Laura, state official were forced to emergency shelter for large number of displaced people will taking into account risk of spreading the coronavirus. Monsieur. Edward Setter were mort en 9,500 Louisianian in shelter of Friday afternoon, most of them evacuated from the previous storm. But a note 820 ouzed because of Delta, many of them in Mega Shelter in Alexandria. The shelter, monsieur. Edward said, could typically accommodate thousands of people, but the capacity was reduced to 833 because of virus restriction. After reaching capacity, evacuer mauvais part north toute city of Astro en Chereveport. Still, many other chose to read out Delta with a shrug, a response that might be interpreted a coledodness or insouciance. In rain, a small city on the Cajun Prairie west of Lafayette, windows were boarded upon generator were full of fuel. A Omaha jogged along at wall and new route vir un falta ad already begun. Ante register wajet ignavor kuak in city discount liquor and tobacco. Marcus Carmouche, 30, set out on Friday morning with the hope of finding a generator. Had no luck. Instead, came to the store with his cousin, WHO Gatorade du parme full of bag of chips. Monsieur. Carmouche said he would take it cam. It is going to do nothing but ir out a fetri en knock poe Lindon said, nothing at the last storm, hurricane Laura. Had let the family with to poe for Abu Ade. I plan said, what to stay home and play video game until the light out. We're just going to chill said. Rick Roja reported from Lafayette, and Richard Fosse from Atlanta. Mickey contributed reporting from Hong Kong, Julia McDonnell Nieto del Rio from New York, Will Wright from Jersey City, NG. Chelsea Abrasted from New Orleans and Christian Made from Lafayette.